Attorney Vic Rodriguez explained what the authorization given by congressmen and senators to their technical staff to authorize to effect and make corrections to the bicameral report for 2025 budget means.
Ng correction, tatlong bagay lang ho yung sinasabi ron eh. Binigyan nila ng otoridad na gumawa ng correction sa typographical, grammatical, and or printing error. Malinaw po yan. Ito po yung sinasabi niya. Tama siya. Oh. May omnibus motion. Pakibasa po ninyo. Binilugan ko po kung ano lang yung pwedeng gawin ng kanilang technical staff. Malinaw dyan, they are authorized, the technical working group or the technical working staff of the Committee on Appropriation of the House and the Senate Finance Committee to effect corrections like typographical, grammatical, and printing errors. Tanungin kita, Congresswoman Kimbo, typographical ba yung blanco na may tuturing? Typographical ba yan? Grammatical ba yan? Printing error lang ba yan? Hindi ba substantial abandonment of a sacred duty and sacred mandate to safeguard every centavo of the people's money? Paano mo ngayon sasabing typographical yan? Paano mo ngayon sasabihin grammatical yan? At paano mo sasabihin printing error yan? Isang pahina pa lang ho yan.